Hi everyone, today I've got this really quick and easy flip fold card to share with you all. So first of all, I cut this navy base card to 4 1/4 of an inch by 8 3/4 of an inch. And I scored and burnished the card at 5 1/2 inches. Next I took a piece of black cardstock, cut it down to 3 by 8 inches and I scored it in half at 4 inches. Then I took this piece of cardstock from a Hunkydory paper collection and I just cut off the border at the bottom here. And basically I just wanted to use the grey dotty background part of the card. And I'll of course save the balloons for another project. So I cut a piece of that grey card to 3 1/4 inch by 4 1/4 inch. And then I glued that down to the inside panel of my navy card. Then I took my black card and I glued that on top. And I did it so that folds out in the opposite direction to the navy card. And you can see here I've also glued another piece of the grey pattern card to the right hand side of the fold. And that piece is 3 by 4 inches. Next I select a topper from that same Hunkydory set and I adhere it to the front of the card. And this Hunkydory set is called Birthday Wishes. Now I'm not sure if I got it through with a magazine or I got it directly from the Hunkydory website. In case any of you don't know, Hunkydory do like a free membership and every so often they do a free club gift. I'm not sure if it's monthly, I'm not sure how often it changes, but you get like a free card collection with toppers and pattern cards and inserts. And all you have to do is pay for the postage. Next I decide that the inside of the card's too dark really to write on, so I take a lighter grey piece of plain cardstock and I cut it down to 3 3/4 of an inch by 2 3/4 of an inch. And then I just glue that down into that inside part. And next I take these little circle toppers from the kit and just adhere them inside as well, just to give it a little bit more interest. And then I add a couple of sequins to the front of the card just to finish it off. Because this is a card for a man, I didn't want to make it, too glitzy. But I felt like it just needed a little bit of something. And that's why it's quite a simple card. I wanted it to have a little bit of an interest but not be too jazzy, if that makes sense. And that's it, and this one's quick and easy to make and it's just got a little bit of difference to it in comparison to, a normal shape card. If you like this tutorial, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe if you don't already do so. Thanks for watching everyone. See you soon. Bye.